Today we have a patient who came for review. 2 years ago, he did a hair transplant with us. 2,000 graft was put into the frontal area. The technique that we used was a smart FUE, and he is very happy with the result. And now we're going to review and see how is the outcome of the hair and the hairline. This is the hairline, the irregularity here, and hairline irregularity here. As we are taking out, you can see the hair looks very natural and very nice. The hair is going this way, and here it's filling out. And here, look at the density, the angle, and the direction is all in place correctly. Now, we like to ask the patient, it's already 2 years. How is the result of the smart FUE?
I'm very satisfied and happy with the result. Thank you, Dato'.